The voting for the Phase 1 of the Chhattisgarh Assembly election has begun in the state, despite special security arrangements made in the state, as certain areas of the state have a Naxal impact. A CRPF Jawan was wounded in an IED explosion set off by Naxals in Sukma district of Chhattisgarh soon after the polling began. The Jawan, who belonged to the Cobra 206 battalion of the CRPF, was on election duty in the Tondamarka area when the blast occurred, said Sukma Superintendent of Police Kiran Chavan. The Jawan has been identified as Shrikant and he is safe now after receiving first aid. The incident happened when Cobra 206 and CRPF personnel from Camp Tondamarka were on their way to Elmagunda village on an area domination operation. During patrolling, the Jawan stepped on an IED planted by Naxals and injured his leg. This is the second incident of an IED blast in Chhattisgarh in 2 days. On Monday, a BSF constable and 2 polling team members were wounded in a pressure IED blast in Kanker. The injured constable was identified as Prakash Chand, who sustained injuries to his legs and was rushed to Chotepetia for treatment. Out of the 20 seats that are polling in the first phase, 12 are from Bastar division, which is affected by Naxal violence. The polling is also taking place in other Naxal-hit districts such as Bastar, Dantewada, Kanker, Kabirdham and Rajnandgaon. To ensure free and fair elections in the state, Central Armed Police Forces have been deployed to assist the local police force in the state. Naxal activities will be monitored through drones and helicopters. Bomb disposal team and a dog squad will also be roped in, according to the police. Around 60,000 security personnel, 40,000 of them belonging to the CAPF and 20,000 from the state police have been deployed for the smooth conduct of polls in Bastar division, which has 12 assembly segments. Members of the elite anti-Naxal unit, Cobra and women commandos are also a part of the security apparatus, the police said. Due to security reasons, 149 polling stations in 5 assembly constituencies of the division have been shifted to the nearest police station and security camps. Polling to the 90-member state assembly will be held in 2 phases on November 7 and 17.